Hello and welcome to the third video in our series of moss walls and now moss products, because yes, we're bringing you some amazing new videos and some amazing new products, but first of all I want to give you the option of having a free sample of the moss that we use on our projects. This is free if you can just cover the shipping for me, the postage if you're in Europe, shipping if you're international. You're going to have two options, one's $4, one's $8, so it just covers all of our expenses in terms of our administration, and you will receive the sample in the post. Give us your email address and the link is in the description below this video, so check that out. Please make sure you always subscribe and definitely click some notifications, because we've got some amazing new videos coming out. So today's video I wanted to cover some of the multitude of questions that we've received, so without further ado let's crack on straight away. The moss itself arrives in boxes. I will put some videos here to show exactly some close-ups of the product itself. This sort of size of box will cover roughly 1.5 square meters within your moss wall, and the other videos coming out will be about actual frames that we are going to produce. So what we do is we receive the actual moss itself. The materials that we're going to use are going to simply be some sort of grip fill, some sort of adhesive that will go onto our marine ply backing. So the backing of this is simply a ply product, just so we've got some stability against the wall. There's no moisture involved. This is a preserved product. It's a real moss. It's not a false product, but it is 100% stabilized. It requires no watering, no maintenance, doesn't need sunlight. It will remain as that product for many, many, many years. So the product comes from 100% sustainable sources. It's ecologically friendly. There is a download of a product sheet that you can receive all the informations on the product itself. Indeed, you'll see the sample, and then I want you to start to plan your project. And if you have any questions, please let us know. That's what we're going to be doing here. So we also have other varieties of moss. We have the bull moss image here in some close-up detail, but the bull moss again is a totally real natural product, totally sustainably farmed, and the bull moss you will put into positions around your design where you have flat moss. You can put some undulation in it, so it's got a bit of a three-dimensional view. You have the bull moss that you would just put in certain areas in your design. Here you see that we have put that in waves, which is very effective. And then we have inserted another product here, which is called lichen. It's often termed as reindeer moss. I've seen it advertised as polar moss, but it is not a moss, it's a lichen. It is grown in Scandinavia, in polar regions, so far up north. It is not damaging to reindeers. So we've had some comments that this is detrimental to the wildlife. That is not true. The farming of this is totally separate to the natural forests, so no animals were damaged in the making of any of these moss products or our moss wall. So great looking products. Please apply for your free sample. Click the link in the description. Always subscribe, always click the notification bell. Can't wait to see your projects actually in action.